This little fawn was abandoned by its mother right after birth. At this moment, its body was trembling and it couldn't stand up completely. Driven by the instinct to survive, it tried desperately to reach its mother's side, but it was met with merciless rejection. In the end, the fawn could only watch helplessly as its mother's figure slowly disappeared into the distance. A few days earlier, as winter's cold descended, wild reindeer began their migration from the mountaintops down to lower ground. They were searching for more food, but this mother reindeer was about to give birth. Her face was filled with worry, because if she separated from the herd and gave birth to her calf in these vast snowy mountains, their chances of survival would be almost negligible. However, the reindeer mother could wait no longer. She had to leave the herd and find a relatively warm shelter to deliver her baby. After waves of sharp pain from her belly, little Ilo was successfully born, but he had to learn to stand within 5 minutes, learn to walk in another 5 minutes, and learn to run in yet another 5 minutes, because the mother was facing a difficult choice. If she stayed to care for